Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 Subaru Outback. Stock number is A6730. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Continental tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. Swing it around to the back end, you have a factory trailer hitch and a rear backup camera on the back. And the Subaru is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need additional storage room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Outback on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.